Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to enable or disable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling is a feature designed to reduce the load on your CPU during intensive tasks. Usually, the CPU assigns the graphics-intensive data to the GPU, so games, media playing apps, or editing software runs smoothly. To do so, the CPU gathers, assigns, and sets the priority for each task so the GPU can render it. When the hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling feature is enabled, the dedicated GPU-based scheduler will handle the high-priority tasks. This way, the CPU can execute more tasks in the same amount of time. Right-click the Start menu and click on Settings, or press the Windows key +I to open Settings. Click on System in the sidebar. Click on Display in the main pane. Click on Graphics Settings, enter the Multiple Displays section. Turn on or off the switch next to Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. Restart your computer to apply the changes. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time. See you later.